Hello, this is Adam Rayner for Slingshot World TV, and today, well, I've got my new catch box in operation. It's a ball return system, now working beautifully. Oh, you hear that ball stop? It didn't carry on going. However, I think they tend to loosen the other ones when you get one behind it. Just the one. It's quite a soundtrack, isn't it? Pock. Roll, 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 rattle, rattle, bonk. These are only 8 mil, these are tiny, tiny little balls. And yeah, it does seem to work. Here we go, so one more. Oh, hit it. Straight through the bloody leathers. Found a gap. That's leather straps hanging up in there. What was in there before? The balls were going clean through. I can tell you that bottle, very, very tough indeed. Shrugs off these direct hits, doesn't shatter. I haven't used it in the depths of winter. Oh man, come on, Rainer, hit the thing. Pock. I'm at about 7 metres, I think. Well, I've got 3 2-metre sections and a little bit extra, so 6 and a bit perhaps. But as you can hear, the ammo is coming back. Oh, did you hear double rattle then? Dislodged one. Oh, that one stopped. Let's see if this dislodges it. Here we go, one more. It works. Ball return catch box. The key is the little rubber collar at the bottom of the bottle. Okay, this is the bottle. The construction inside is it's a coat hanger. There's some paracord involved, and I found that sofa leather is the best stuff. It doesn't bounce back, absorbs, and the balls go down into the bottom at a decent rate. That rubber neck piece is the key to the whole concept. So after that, you're just into drain pipe. I'm going to drop a load of balls down this, overtake it, and watch them coming out at the far end there. So yeah, that's well, there are 3 pieces. I'm not sure how long they are, whether it's, should measure it, but it's at least 6 metres. I think they're at least 2 metres. Anyway, here goes some balls. I caught a few of them coming out. Yep, so you can sit on your bottom, and well, with the right height and a decent bit of smoothly laid pipe, you could do whatever range you wanted. I think it would take a bit of doing for 10 metres, to be honest, but so yes, a great idea from GZK. He figured all the balls would be collected in the bottom, and I thought, well, if they're not just collected in the bottom but go through there, perhaps you could Yes. So yeah, I've been sitting having a lovely practice here in the sunshine in this unseasonable March 2021 weather. So Adam Rayner for Slingshot World. Do get in touch if you want to get hold of one of these bottles. It's not going to be valid for terribly long, but I do have a couple if anybody wants to get hold of them.